Welcome to part 2 of 5 for creating your first residential project in Aurora. By now, you have already entered in your project's consumption information and generated a monthly electricity usage chart. Next, jump over to Site Model in the left toolbar. In the top left corner, there are icons for both Site Model 2D and 3D mode. Click, hold, and drag the green pinpoint to the middle of the structure of the satellite imagery. This will provide the street view. In the top right, you can find icons to see the map of the site or the street view. Zoom into the structure using either the scroll wheel on your mouse or your trackpad. Additionally, you have the plus and minus icons in the bottom left corner. Let us get started by clicking on the smart roof icon in the right toolbar. For residential sites, this will be defaulted to a pitched roof. Click on every corner of the roof to place nodes. A good rule of thumb is that any place there is a 90-degree angle, you will probably want to place a node. Seal off your roof by hovering your cursor over the first node and then clicking to close. Aurora's Smart Roof tool will automatically detect the interior design for you. Yellow arrows will appear for each plane that will indicate the direction the roof slope will face in the 3D model. Next, click on the Add Obstruction icon and select Rectangle in the submenu. Click, hold, and drag to place on the structure. To move the obstruction, click, hold, and drag. To copy and paste, click to highlight. Use Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste for Windows. For Mac, use Command+C, then Command+V. Press Delete on your keyboard to remove the obstruction. Click on the Draw Tree icon to click, hold, and drag over any trees in the satellite imagery. After you have outlined your structure, transition into the Site Model 3D mode. Click on the Street View icon in the top right. The green pinpoint in the left frame will tell you which structure you are remotely designing. Use the white arrows to adjust the perspective. Here, we can see that the chimney is a bit taller. Click on the chimney in the right frame to adjust the height to 4 feet. Click on the wall in the right frame to adjust the height of the building to 2 stories. Similarly, click on the roof plane to adjust the pitch. If you have a premium account, you also have access to LiDAR data. Check out the Help Center to view a video on more information about how to use this. You can also change the tree properties by clicking on a tree. A pop-up box will appear. Let's change the type from a sphere to a cone. Input 35.5 for the height and 11.5 for the crown diameter. Also input 33 feet for the crown height. Once you have your 3D structure modeled, you're ready to generate shading values, simulate energy output, and run a performance simulation in part 3 of your first residential project tutorial. For more help, check out help.aurorasolar.com or email support@aurorasolar.com.